For wide driveway cracks that show movement or settling, a flexible sealant is typically the better long-term choice. For cracks wider than 1/4 inch, choose a high-quality, flexible, semi-self-leveling sealant formulated for exterior concrete use because it bonds well to both horizontal surfaces and the vertical faces of the crack while accommodating expansion and contraction. Prepare the joint by cleaning out loose debris, vegetation, and dust with a stiff wire brush and a shop vacuum. Then use a pressure washer at medium pressure if oil or heavy dirt is present, and allow the area to dry completely before sealing. For cracks that are deep, insert a closed cell backer rod sized to sit about 1/4 inch below the surface, so the sealant adheres to two faces only and cures in the correct profile. Never overfill directly to the top. Apply the sealant from a cartridge with a caulking gun in a steady bead and tool it quickly with a rounded trowel or gloved finger wetted with soapy water to create a smooth finish and proper adhesion. For very wide gaps, consider routing the edges to create a uniform joint and use a foam backer for control. Avoid rigid patching compounds in these moving areas because they will crack away as the slab shifts. Small chips and non-moving surface spalls can be repaired with a polymer modified patching compound applied in thin lifts, but reserve flexible sealant for joints and active cracks and follow manufacturer cure times before allowing traffic. Common mistakes include using a rigid patching mortar in a moving crack, which will fail along the interface, so switch to a flexible elastomeric sealant and install backer rod when needed. Another issue is poor surface preparation. Loose material or moisture prevents adhesion, so clean to solid substrate and let the surface dry fully before applying any product. A third mistake is overfilling without shaping the joint profile, which causes weak adhesion and premature failure, so tool the sealant to a concave profile and maintain the recommended depth to width ratio specified by the sealant maker. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details, contractor leads, and real-world experiences. We host an active discussion community where our members exchange tips, ask questions, and post photos, helping both homeowners and contractors find work and collaborate.